Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the essentials. Plug the phone into a known good charger and outlet and use a verified cable. Once connected, look into the charging port with light. Remove lint or corrosion carefully. If the device has a removable battery, take it out, inspect for swelling and correct model markings, then reseat or swap with a compatible spare. These first steps rule out most simple failures and tell you whether you're facing power delivery versus internal hardware issues. Once the battery and charging are confirmed, perform the forced restart specific to the model. Hold the correct power and volume key combination until the device reacts. If nothing happens, continue charging for 10 to 20 minutes and then retry. Some phones need a minimum voltage to start. If it powers but won't load the OS, boot to safe or recovery mode to check for corrupted firmware or a bad app. This narrows the fault to software or deeper hardware components. If recovery mode works, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent software faults. Remember, this erases personal files. If the phone remains unresponsive to charging, swap in a verified battery or use a bench power supply to check board-level behavior. When those options fail, gather details, LED, beep codes, and exact button responses, then contact a qualified technician. If things go wrong, the fastest troubleshooting tip is to test with a different certified charger and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.